Part 6. Rate. You will find this on page 182 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Rate. We have learned that a ratio compares two or more quantities of the same kind. Now, let's learn how to compare two quantities of different kinds. A rate is a comparison of two quantities that have different units. It's usually expressed as one quantity per unit of another quantity. An example is 120 kilometers per hour, which is read as 120 kilometers per hour. This is an example of a unit rate. Unit rates have the denominator as 1, and this is usually how we express rates. Let's look at an example. Find the rate for each of the following in the units stated. So 180 kilometers covered in 3 hours, and I want it in kilometers per hour. So the one that stands after that per, that's the one that must become the denominator, the one at the bottom. So if I look at the rate, it's a 180 kilometers divided by the 3 hours. And then this answer will be 60 kilometers per hour. Okay. The next one, 350 kilometers on 33 liters. And I want it in kilometers per liter. So again, the one that stands after the per must be in the denominator at the bottom. So take the 350 kilometers, divide it by the 33 liters, and I will find 10.6 kilometers per liter. Okay, I want you to do try now 7, number A and B. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Try now 7. Let's start with number A. Okay, find the rate for each of the following in the unit stated. Susie typed 250 words in 5 minutes. And I want 5 minutes. And I want it in words per minute. So basically, the rate in words per minute will be 250 words per 5 minutes. And the answer will be 50 words, and it's division per minute. That will mean 50 words in 1 minute. Okay, let's go to number B. Joy ran 200 meters in 25 seconds, and I want the speed in meters per second. So the rate in meters per second will be 200 meters in divided by 25 seconds. And the answer will be 8 meters per second. So she will run 8 meters in 1 second. Okay, let's look at the next example. Example 8. A worker is paid 84 Namibian dollar for 8 hours of work. Find the hourly rate. That means in 1 hour. So they want the money per hour. So the money will be on top and the hours will be at the bottom in the denominator. And as soon as I divide it, I get 10 Namibian dollar 50 cents per hour. Okay. If the worker works for 5 hours, find his wage. So I just take this rate and I times it with 5, and he will get 52.50 Namibian dollar. Okay, let's just move this a little bit up, and then I want you to do try now 8, number A and B. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is try now 8. And we're going to start with number A. An electrician took 3 hours to complete a job. He charged 990 Namibian dollar for his service. Find his hourly rate he charged. So basically, we're just going to say, if we want the hourly wage rate, that means per hour, then we just take the money, 990, and we divide it by the 3 hours. And that will give me a rate of 330 Namibian dollar per hour. Okay. And then if I look at number B, if another job took 5 hours to complete, how much did he charge for the job at the same hourly rate? So basically, his wage, that's per week, will just be the hourly rate, which is this 330 per hour, times the number of hours. Say number of hours. And that will just be that 330 times 5, and the answer will be 1650, 1,650 Namibian dollar. That's what you will get for the 5 hours.